Hey there! Ever wanted to create a YouTube account but weren't sure where to start? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, right on your phone. It's super easy, I promise. By the end of this video, you'll have your account all set up and ready to go, whether you want to watch, subscribe, or even start uploading your own videos. Let's dive in. Okay, first things first, open up the YouTube app on your phone. Don't have the app? No worries. Just head to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and download it. If you'd rather not use the app, you can also visit youtube.com in your mobile browser. Totally up to you. Next, once you're on YouTube, look for the little profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that. This is your main hub for signing in or creating an account. Tap on Sign In. Got a Google account already? Great. Just log in. If not, no problem. We'll set one up now. Now, here's the fun part. Tap Create Account and select For My Personal Use. You'll need to fill in some basic info like your name, date of birth, and a username. Remember, this username will also be your email address, so make it something easy to remember and maybe even a little creative. Next, it's time to create a password. Keep it secure by mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. You know the drill. After that, Google might ask for your phone number to verify your account. Just pop in your number and they'll send you a code. Enter the code and boom, you're verified. Once you're verified, you'll agree to privacy and terms, then land back on YouTube. Tap that profile icon again and select your channel. This is where the magic happens. Add a profile picture, pick a channel name, and start making it your own. This is how people will see you on YouTube, so have fun with it. And there you have it, your very own YouTube account, all set up and ready to roll. If you don't have the app yet, check the link in the description to download it. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. See you next time.